Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Chill-O-Matic. Now, this is an automatic beverage chiller. Now, you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is 25 bucks. All right, so let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, so we got another episode of Simple and Effective Tech. This is the Chill-O-Matic automatic beverage chiller. Like I said, 25 bucks on this one. All right, so let's unbox it and we'll see what it is. We got the Pro-Tech. Here we go. Rah. Okay, here we go. Now, y'all know on Sunday I like to do little fun videos, so this is going to be another one of those. Should be nice and quick. Okay, so it comes with the usual books and shit. Real simple, just add batteries and keep it moving. Okay, so let's see how this looks. Now, this one does come in two different colors. You got black or white. I decided to go with the black version. Okay, so here's what you get inside. Now, this is going to be your cover. Okay. Let's see. This is going to be the unit that makes it spin. And you do get a suction cup. Okay, so this goes right on the back like this. Just like that. What you're going to do is, all right, shoes back up. You're going to fill this with ice. You're going to put a can right on here. Attach this to the back. Turn it on, and it's going to start spinning. All right, so let me drop some batteries in this, and we'll test it out. All right, so quick side note. Now, to put the batteries in, you just take off the flap, and you're going to put the first one down and the second one up. All right, so everything is set up. So now let's test it out. First, we got a grape soda right here. Y'all know I'm black. I got to do what I got to do. Let's check the temperature. 58. 58. Okay, so let's go ahead and suction this on. We're going to fill this up with ice and set it up. All right, so I filled up the container with a bunch of ice. We dropped the soda can right in there. We're going to put this little top on. And let's hit start. And we hit the timer. Now, it's supposed to chill this in 60 seconds. Okay, so we're going to wait 60 seconds. Now, on a side note, I know somebody's going to say, why don't you just put it in the refrigerator? But here's the thing. Maybe you live in a dorm room, or if you like me, you know, you like having sodas or cans in your pantry, and you want a quick drink, you ain't got time to put it in the refrigerator. Not to mention, I like to drink Coke Zeros out of the can. So if I take a Coke Zero and put it in the can and put ice in a cup and drink it like that, the ice changes the taste. I like mine to come right out of the can. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to wait 60 seconds and check the temperature. Okay, now it looks like it's spinning really good. Remember, this is 25 bucks, all right? This ain't, this ain't nothing fancy. Okay, it is spinning up. All right, so exactly 60 seconds. Bam. Let's hit stop. Okay. Now let's check take this out. Pull this off. Let's check the temperature. Remember, it was at 58. Now it's at 48. Okay, 47. So now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it back in. Just drop it in like that. And let's let it go for another 2 minutes. Okay, now you got it. Okay, let it go. We'll let it go for another 2 minutes. So we'll do a 3-minute spin. All right, so we're coming up on 3 minutes. And one quick side note, I noticed I had the spinner upside down. So I put it in the correct orientation. And look, it spins so much better like this. All right, so we're coming up to, we're going to wait till exactly 3 minutes. Okay, there's 3 minutes. Let's hit stop. Take this off. Okay. Now this pops out just like this. You see I had it like this first? You can put it in like this, and it stays just like that. All right, here it is. Now it is super cold. Let's check the temperature. After 3 minutes, 36, 36, 34, okay? Between 34, 35, 36. That is pretty good. Now let's see something real quick. Now I'm gonna actually test this out. let's see. After all that spinning, pour it in the cup. Look at shoes. Shoes want to taste. All right, let's check the temperature in the cup. 31. Okay, went up a little bit. Okay, 30. 32, 31, 33. This, oh, look at this. Look how cold this is. Let me taste. Wow. Black people always drinking grape soda. I know. I got to keep the stereotypes alive. All right. Like I said, simple and effective tech. Now, let's see. There's a lot of ice left in here. Okay. How would I rank this? On a scale of 1 to 10, for $25, this is a win right here. All right, this is a win if you got a bunch of Heinekens. Okay, it's not good to store your Heinekens in the refrigerator. You store them in the pantry. When you're ready to have 1 can of beer, put it right in here. 3 minutes. Okay, 60 seconds will bring the temperature down, but I would say 3 minutes is the sweet spot on this. And then we'll just clean it up and store it in the kitchen like this. Okay, this actually tastes good. Anyway, this is the Chill-O-Matic. Okay, $25, simple and effective tech. Does it work? Okay, now, the whole point of me making this video was to test this and see does it work. And it absolutely works. Okay? Look at that. It absolutely works. Now, of course, I never read the book, so I just put it like this. And it was still spinning, but it was kind of wobbling a little bit. When you put it the correct way, like this, look at that. You're going to get a nice clean spin. Okay, so hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Holiday gift ideas, okay? This is just something quick. Maybe a stocking stuffer, okay, for your favorite college student. Somebody who lives in an apartment. If you don't have ice makers all over the place, maybe you want to buy some ice and just store it in the freezer. Drop a few cubes in here. Get your little drink, okay? Simple and effective tech. Now, for next week, y'all know it's Sunday, so I like to do little fun videos. Next week, we're going crazy with the headphones. Everybody been asking me to do the Bose, so we got the Bose, we got the Status Buds, okay? We got this new company. I'm gonna show y'all. They make some exclusive headphones, $2,000. They should be crazy. We got a whole bunch of products coming this week, all right? So stay tuned. Anyway, simple and effective tech. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat was allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, on here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, the Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.